What's going on, guys? Today I will be showing you guys how to cut your dirt bike chain, or how I do it. You know, easy. You don't gotta buy your fancy little tools. Take it off, and I'm gonna be doing it on my 450. I was already taking the chain off, guys, but I was like, let's do a video to show you guys how to do it. So first, you just want to obviously take off the master link, the clip first, and take off the linkage. Which sometimes it's kind of hard to get off, but it'll come off eventually, guys. Oh. You just gotta pry it in there. There you go. Guys, these are the tools that I will be using right here. A grinder, any type of grinder with a wheel, and some vice grips. And we'll be using once we get to that point, I'll just grab like a screwdriver and a socket just to hit the pin through. You guys will see that right now in a moment. So guys, for this one, I just want to take off one link, which is this one link, right? I want to cut the back one right here. I'm gonna cut this one off so I can have the front of this, just how this is showing, so I can connect up here, right? Just like that. Alright guys, so I'm cutting one right here. No, I'm cutting this one, my bad. I'm cutting this one, so I can connect like that. Alright guys, you guys got that? So I'm gonna show you guys how to grind it. First, I just use these just to hold it. You know, I can step on it while I'm grinding it. I gotta show you guys real quick. Also guys, make sure you guys are wearing safety glasses. You know, that's what I'm wearing. Ooh, go in. Let's get to it, guys. A little bit more. Alright guys, now we're gonna get some type of screwdriver and a socket. I'll probably use this one. You need something sharp to hit it through, alright guys? Which I should have something here. Alright guys, I found something a little better. This might work. Just want to get it in the middle right there and just hit it down, guys. Like an aim. There you go, guys. You guys see that starting to go in? You just want to keep hitting it till it goes all the way through. And just like that, guys, it's basically out. And it's out, guys. Now get your tool out of there. If it wants to come out, we'll just hit it from the back. Technical difficulties, guys. There you go. And it's out, guys. Piece to the trash. And it's ready to go back on the bike, guys. Just that easy, guys. Check it out. Also, guys, another tip. Don't ever cut more than one link at a time, because I'm not gonna lie, even me, it's happened to me where I'm like, oh, my chain's super loose. It probably needs two. I cut two off, and now the chain's too short. And now I gotta go buy another chain, you know? So always do one at a time. And once you guys get the chain cut and everything, loosen up your wheel, obviously. Push all your tensioners back in straight, which are these. I don't know what the exact name of it, but these. push those all the way in, or almost all the way in where you think, and then put your chain on, guys, and you'll be ready to go ride. Your chain won't be slacking everywhere, you know. Yeah, guys, if you guys like this video, please like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what else you guys want to see. I'm always putting videos up like this though, guys. So yeah, see you guys in the next one.